The Ukrainian military confirmed that the armed forces of Ukraine have received its first attack helicopters from the Czech Republic. According to Defense Express, recently received Mi-24V Hind armed assault helicopters, donated by the Czech government as part of its military support, were used in combat operations against Russian targets. The number of Mi-24Vs received from the Czech Republic is not officially announced. The Czech Air Force operates about 15 Mi-24 Mi-35 Hind attack helicopters and about 20 Mi-17 HIP transport helicopters. The transfer of Czech Mi-24Vs including Mi-17 HIP helicopters for the Ukrainian armed forces was reported back in May of this year. According to the aviationist, the two helicopters were taken directly from the flight lines instead of being taken from storage. In fact, the helicopters have been identified with the serials 3370 and 7353, which correspond to the newer batch of Mi-24V Mi-35 received by the Czech Air Force between 2003 and 2005 as part of the repayment of the Russian debt towards the country.